nandito tayo ngayon sa Zoobic Safari. This is located in Subic, Bataan. So, we are featuring this theme park, nature theme park sa Wherein, Pampanga. You know. And we're about to start the program. So let's get inside. So nga pala kasama natin si Mark ng Yellow Book of Coupons.
Hi guys!
Sa vlog na to. So thanks for collaboration, sir.
Sino magdodrone?
Yun, so una natin gagawin ngayon, magdo-drone muna tayo dito sa ano to, sir? Tiger encounter ba to? Tiger Safari ride. So may mga jeepneys and then close encounter sa mga tiger, pinapakain nila. So yun ang kukunan natin. Fly our drones. Yun, so next stop naman natin after nung mga tiger encounter, mga crocodile naman and mga hippos. So we're gonna fly our drones again. Ito yan, no? Woo! Scary! Pero you have to try. You have to try it. Okay, so ito yung pinakabagong amenity dito sa Zoobic Safari. Ito yung Glamp at Z. So, Glamp ay word from glamorous camping. Yan. So, meron silang mga, I think there are 3 rooms available here. Iba-iba yung mga pangalan ng mga rooms. We are staying at the Peacock room. So dalawang ano siya, rooms. And tingnan natin yung ano, loob niya. Hey guys, so this is still in Zoobic Safari. We are waiting for our turn for the tiger photo ops. You know, it's almost 6 o'clock. Ruel, ito. So it's almost 6 o'clock and ang dami pa ring tao dito. Super stick. Dami pa ring tao. Ayun si Luis. Oh. So Luis is a little bit sick since what? Tuesday? Pero ano, he's recovering. Get well, get well. Luis, get well. This is the night safari tour. We are with ano, some of the vloggers and vloggers. So yung tour natin is ano, kasama yung mga ibang vloggers.
Now we're actually starting the tour.
Yun, so unfortunately, it's starting to rain again. And sobrang dilim na. Wala na kami masyadong makitang mga animals. So, we're heading back to the entrance. And I think we're gonna have some dinner na. So, see you inside. Who's hungry? Raise your hand. Who's hungry?
Hello!
Lahat kami hungry na. So, here's what's going to happen, no? Yung mga adult, so that's us, are going to eat dun sa dinner in the dark. Na yung mga kids sa room na lang sila kakain para hindi masyadong hassle sa kanila. So that's what's going to happen. Yun, so sana okay yung audio natin. So this is Zoobic Safari's night bazaar. First night nila dito, so dito meron silang mga skewers, may mga kanin, may mga drinks, at the same time may mga souvenir shop, at pwede tayong magpa-picture sa mga wild animals. Like this, yan o. Ano pangalan yan, ma'am?
Trina.
Trina?
This is a green tree python.
Green tree python, okay.
Try nyo hawakan, sir.
Ay. Sige, picture, video na lang. Woo!
Yan po siya.
Green tree python. Yan. Be good, Trina.
Bye! Say bye, Trina.
Okay, so this is the last activity for today. It has been life-changing experience a while ago dun sa dinner in the dark. And right now it's a bonfire actually sa villa namin. But anyway, my battery is about to die and I'll just finish with this quick talk. So yun, thank you Zumanity group for inviting us and making us experience this wild nature night. And earlier meron kaming dinner in the dark, and siguro I'll just create a separate vlog for that kasi it's a really life-changing experience and I want to share that to you guys. So right now, ito yung namin. So we're just gonna sit around the campfire. So guys, Isabel, come here. Come on. Isabel, come here. Come on, hurry up. Hurry up. Oh, say hi to the vlog. Say hi to the vlog, baby. Hi, thanks for watching. Are you enjoying, Isa? Love you, baby. Say goodbye. Baby, say goodbye. Bye. Pakita ka sa vlog. Baba. Yun o. Bye. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again.
Oh, you go din.
Bye. See you tomorrow. Hello, Luis.